हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं।
Today we will learn arc of a circle, central angle, measure of an arc, congruence of arcs, property of sum of measures of arcs. सर्कल क्लास 10 के मैथ्स पार्ट 2 का थर्ड चैप्टर। इस चैप्टर पर 8 वीडियोस अपलोड किए गए हैं, जिनकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी गई है। फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ टुडे इज आर्क ऑफ अ सर्कल। टॉपिक समझने के लिए यहां पर हमने फिगर बना कर ली है। अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर C एंड लाइन K इज सेकंड फॉर दिस सर्कल। इंटरसेक्ट सर्कल एट द पॉइंट्स A एंड B। सेकंड की वजह से सर्कल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 different parts. One of these parts with point of intersections is known as arc of a circle. इस तरह से यहाँ 2 arcs बने हैं। One is AYB and other is AXB. Arc जो सेंटर के साइड होता है is bigger and the arc AXB to another side of center is smaller. AYB, the bigger arc, is known as major arc and AXB, smaller arc, is known as minor arc. And the points of intersection A and B are known as end points of arc. A second divides a circle in 2 parts. Any one of these 2 parts and the common points of the circle and the second constitute an arc of the circle. Arc AYB is a major arc and arc AXB is a minor arc. If there is no any confusion, minor arc can be written with only 2 alphabets, which are end points of arc, like arc AB. Next topic is central angle. When vertex of an angle is the center of the circle, then this angle is known as central angle. Here in this figure, there is one circle with center O and angle AOB का vertex है O, which is center of circle. Therefore, angle AOB is known as central angle. When the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, it is called a central angle. In figure, angle AOB is central angle. Now we will see measure of an arc. This is central angle. Central angle also divides circle in 2 parts. One is major arc and other is minor arc. Minor arc का measure is equal to corresponding central angle. Here it is angle AOB is corresponding central angle of arc APB. Therefore, measure of arc APB is equal to measure of angle AOB. Measure of a minor angle is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Therefore, measure of arc APB, which is minor arc, is equal to measure of angle AOB, which is corresponding angle of arc APB. Measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Therefore, measure of arc AQB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc APB, which is corresponding minor arc of measure arc AQB. Look at this figure. Here CD is diameter of circle with center O, and due to CD, circle is divided into two equal parts. These are known as semicircular arc or semicircles. Here we can see measure of semicircle is 180 degree, and there are two semicircle in a complete circle. Therefore, measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Measure of a semicircle is 180 degree and measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Now we will see congruence of arcs, जिसके लिए यहाँ हमने एक फिगर बना के ली है जिसमें सेंटर C लेकर हमने दो सर्कल्स बनाए, स्मॉलर सर्कल एंड बिगर सर्कल. सेंटर ऑफ दीज टू सर्कल्स इज सेम. एक सेंट्रल एंगल बनाया गया है विथ मेजर 70 डिग्री. ड्यू टू दिस central angles, we got two arcs with smaller circle and second with bigger circle. Smaller circle से बना हुआ आर्क है AB and bigger circle से बना हुआ आर्क है CD. Definition of measure of arcs is measure of arc is equal to their corresponding central angle. Therefore, measure of arc AB is 70 degree and measure of CD is also 70 degree. But यहाँ देखकर ही हम समझ सकते हैं कि arc AB and arc CD are not congruent. AB is smaller than CD. इसलिए सिर्फ मेजर्स इक्वल होने से दो आर्क्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं हो सकते. इक्वेलिटी ऑफ मेजर्स ऑफ टू आर्क्स इज नॉट इनफ टू मेक द टू आर्क्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट. 70 डिग्री का और एक सेंट्रल एंगल यहां पर हमने बना कर लिया है, ड्यू टू विच आर्क PQ एंड आर्क RS फॉर्म. RPQ is arc of smaller angle, smaller circle, and arc RS is arc of bigger circle. अब हम देख सकते हैं कि arc AB and arc PQ are congruent, and arc RS and arc CD are congruent. इस फिगर को काट कर हम एक दूसरे पर रखकर देखेंगे AB और PQ को और RS और CD को, तो ये एक दूसरे पर कोइंसाइड हो जाएंगे. आर्क AB और आर्क PQ में मेजर ऑफ आर्क इज इक्वल, दैट इज 70 एंड आल्सो देयर रेडियस इज इक्वल. CP is equal to CB. And for bigger arcs CD and RS, their measures are also 70 degree and radius is CR equal to CD. इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है कि दो आर्क्स के कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने के लिए their measures and also radius should be same. Two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Last topic of today is property of sum of measures of arcs. ये टॉपिक समझने के लिए यहाँ पर हमने एक फिगर बना के ली है, दैट इज अ सर्कल. और उस पर हमने डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स लिए हैं, पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट बी, पॉइंट सी, पॉइंट डी एंड पॉइंट ई. Due to these points, different arcs are formed on this circle. Arc AB, arc BC, arc ABC, arc CD, arc BCD, arc DE, etc. Now we will concentrate on two arcs, arc ABC and arc CDE, in which only one point C is common. Therefore, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc CDE is equal to measure of arc ACE. There is one and only one common point C to arc ABC and arc CDE. ABC and CDE. Therefore, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc CDE is equal to measure of arc ACE. Now we will concentrate on other two arcs, arc ABC and arc BCE. In these two arcs, arc BC is common. All the points on arc BC are there on both the arcs. Therefore, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc BCE is not equal to ACE. Arc ABC and arc BCE have many points in common. All points on arc BC. Therefore, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc BCE is not equal to measure of arc ACE. In next video, we will learn two theorems. The chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle are congruent and corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle are congruent.